First of all, Mommy, I honor you for being a good wife and a good mother to three of our sons. And second thing, thank you for all the love that you shared. Also, I really appreciate your understanding for sa mga kids, especially sa akin. Thank you so much. Deep in my heart, I'm very thankful na ikaw na pangasawa ko. Simula, isa sa mga pinangako sa'yo na to be faithful through all my life. And also to thick and thin, I promise you to be with you for better and for worse, sickness and in health. And also, kung ano man yung pangarap sa atin ng Panginoon, ano lang natin sa Panginoon na saan tayo mapadpad, idasal na lang natin. Dati naisip ko na yun itong gusto ko, pero naisip ko na bahala na si Lord kung ano-ano na, hindi ko na sample kung may opportunity sa sample. Ngayon, opportunity papuntang sa mag-training, malalak ng 1 year, magplano natin magka-Australia, bahala na, kahit basta, as long as kasama tayo. Thank you so much. I love you.